Picture yourself waking up every day feeling financially secure, knowing that you have the power to provide for your children without stress or uncertainty. As a single mom, making money isn't just about survival, it's about creating the life you and your kids deserve. But how do you do that when time, energy, and resources are limited? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money as a single mom, with practical strategies that work even if you're starting from scratch. Stick with me until the end, because these tips can truly transform your financial future. Being a single mom is a full-time job on its own. Between parenting, household responsibilities, and work, it often feels like there's no room for financial growth. Many single mothers struggle with limited income, high expenses, and the constant fear of not being able to provide the best for their kids. But here's the truth. There are ways to make money that don't require working multiple exhausting jobs. The key is learning how to leverage your time, skills, and resources to build income streams that work for you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. 1. Mindset shift, from survival mode to thriving. Before we dive into specific money-making strategies, we need to talk about mindset. Many single moms operate in survival mode, constantly worried about making ends meet. But shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset is the first step to financial success. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough time or money, start asking, how can I create more opportunities? The most successful single moms don't just work harder, they think smarter. For example, take Sarah, a single mom of 2 who was stuck in a low-paying job. She changed her perspective, invested in learning new skills online, and within a year, she was making 3 times her previous income as a freelance digital marketer. That's the power of a mindset shift. 2. Time management, balancing parenthood and earning money. Time is your most valuable resource. The challenge? Single moms often feel they don't have enough of it. The solution? Learning to prioritize and delegate. Successful moms create structured routines that balance work, parenting, and self-care without burnout. Start by tracking how you currently spend your time. Identify tasks that don't add value to your financial growth, and eliminate or delegate them. For instance, using grocery delivery services instead of spending hours shopping can free up time for a side hustle. Even small changes, like setting designated, focus hours, when kids are asleep, can significantly boost productivity and income potential. 3. High-income skills, learning skills that pay well. Not all jobs pay the same. If you want to earn more without working longer hours, you need a high-income skill. These are skills that companies and individuals are willing to pay top dollar for, such as graphic design, copywriting, coding, or digital marketing. The best part? Many of these skills can be learned online for free or at a low cost. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer countless tutorials. For example, Lisa, a single mom, learned video editing through free YouTube courses. Within months, she landed clients and now makes over $5,000 per month working from home. 4. Online income streams, making money from home. If going to a 9-to-5 job isn't an option, online income streams can be a game changer. Remote work, freelancing, and digital entrepreneurship open up endless opportunities for single moms. You can start with freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where people pay for skills like writing, social media management, or customer support. Another option is creating digital products like ebooks or online courses on platforms like Gumroad. The key is to start with what you know and gradually build from there. 5. Passive income strategies, earning while you sleep. Passive income is income that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working. This is the dream for many single moms because it provides financial security without trading time for money. Some ways to create passive income include renting out a spare room on Airbnb, selling digital products, or starting a YouTube channel. For example, Emma, a single mom, started a blog about parenting tips. Within a year, she was earning $2,000 a month from ad revenue and affiliate marketing. 6. Local business ideas, profitable side hustles in your community. If online work isn't your thing, There are plenty of local side hustles that can generate income. Babysitting, tutoring, meal prepping, or even pet sitting can bring in consistent cash. For instance, Michelle, a single mom, started a meal prep service for busy families in her neighborhood. She started small, cooking from home, and within months she had a steady stream of clients paying her for weekly meal plans. 7. Smart financial strategies. Managing and growing your money. Making money is only half the battle. Managing it wisely is just as important. The best way to gain financial control is through budgeting, saving, and investing. One key strategy is the pay yourself first rule, automatically setting aside a portion of income for savings and investments before spending on anything else. Even small investments in stocks or real estate can build long-term wealth over time. 8. Leveraging support systems. You don't have to do it alone. Many single moms feel like they have to do everything alone, but that's not true. There are countless resources available, from government assistance to community programs, that can help ease financial burdens. Networking is also a powerful tool. Connecting with other single moms, joining business groups, and seeking mentorship can open doors to new income opportunities. The biggest mistake single moms make is waiting for the perfect time to start. But the truth is, the perfect time doesn't exist. Every day you wait is a day you could be moving toward financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about taking that first step. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or setting financial goals, what matters is starting today. If these strategies helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which step you're going to take first. And don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for extra resources. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the perfect next video for you. It's on screen right now. Click on it, and I'll see you there.